well for patiently listening to us and singing along with us and making the whole experience more divine and more fun. And I would like to thank all my dear students. Many of them are working and they are juggling so many different things. And I thank them and I request all of you to bless them to sing more and more and come up in the music journey. Varsha, Kalyani, Suma and Deepa have all put in a lot of hard work and they have cooperated with me for regular practices. And of course our wonderful accompanying artist today who really brought a lot of divine atmosphere and vibes to the show, especially with Bo Shambho and the English note, Rajni Iyer and Aditya Rajagopal. Thank you so much.
And we also want to thank Anupama, and we always say this, that it's always 80-20, sometimes it's 90-10 ratio. The relentless efforts that she puts in building us, like she said, we are not very regular sometimes, but she's so dedicated to her field and her passion. It's really very, very commendable and inspiring. So thank you everyone for everything that you do. We're really grateful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And to all of you once again, thank you so much, the audience and all the family members of all of us who have come here to support us and cheer for us. Without you all, today would not have happened. So we come to the conclusion of today's concert. I will be singing a little Namavali and I request all of you to please join in. It is a Malayalam Namavali on Lord Ayyappa.